Electronic stud finders work by sensing density changes behind the wall. The stud scan mode scans through drywall up to 3/4 of an inch. First, place the unit flat against the wall like this, then press the button and hold it in. The most common mistake people make is to press the button too soon. Don't do that. Remember, first place it against the wall, then press the button and hold it in. Slide it towards the wall. Red lights mean we're getting close. The top green light, the spotlight, and the beep indicate one edge of the stud. Mark it with a pencil. Now come at it from the other side and mark that edge. Halfway between the two edges is the center of the stud. In the stud scan mode, these tools will normally be within 1/4 inch of the edge of the stud, depending on conditions. For example, extreme humidity can make them read a little bit wide. But even if they read slightly wider or more narrow than the actual stud edges, the difference will be the same on both sides of the stud, so you can still find the center of the stud by marking your two edge reference points. If you happen to start directly over a stud, you'll go from more density to less density. In that case, the unit will flash and beep, and the ready light will not stay on. This is called over the stud indication or calibration error detection. This also happens if you rock the unit or pull it away from the wall, so anytime it flashes and beeps, just start over in a new position. The deep scan mode is used for thicker walls like firewalls, tiled walls, paneling over drywall, or floors and ceilings up to 1.5 inches thick. On the SF-420AC, use the mode selector switch to select the deep scan mode. The deep scan mode does not have calibration error detection or that over the stud indicator because a thicker wall surface often has inconsistent thickness. Think about a piece of tile that has that grout line in the middle. So with deep scan, you can pass right over that grout line and you won't get flashing and beeping, and it'll still find your stud. So keep in mind that in deep scan, if you don't find a stud the first time, you might have calibrated right over a stud. So just start over in a new position a few inches away. AC detection can detect hot AC current behind a wall or floor before you screw or saw into it, which is much safer. AC detection will not find hot AC current inside metal conduit. AC detection is always on for safety. On the SF-420AC, when you get near hot current, the red AC light comes on. Sensitivity to AC depends on how close to AC current the unit is when you turn it on. It looks for whatever AC current is present and then looks for more. So keep in mind that AC detection is not a super high precision locator of AC current. It's simply a warning that the unit senses the presence of AC, and the user should exercise caution and turn off circuit breakers, for example, before cutting into a wall with a saw. The Greenlee SF-420AC will help electricians find studs and hot electrical wires. It'll also save them a lot of time and money. Thanks for learning about the Greenlee SF-420AC.